Okay. How many of you know how a HTTP API works? Show of hands. I'm not going to ask you. You can just raise. Cool. How many of you know how a phone call works? What happens in a phone call? No. Okay. Hi. I'm Sreeram. I'm working as a senior software engineer in Skid.ai. So Skid.ai is a conversational AI startup. So we basically automate call centers, which means we have to deal with a lot of telephony stuff. So I work on the telephony layer, and I also work on call campaigns, making outbound call campaigns. So I work on primarily Go. I also worked on Go, Python, and C++. With real-time streaming, I had to work with gRPC WebSockets, sometimes REST. I've also worked on Lambdas. Okay, sorry. Yeah, so back to my question, how do you make a phone call? So a commonly used protocol, but it's not working. Sorry. Yeah, a commonly used protocol, but not so famous protocol. It's called a Session Initiation Protocol, or SIP. It's a signaling protocol, and it has methods like HTTP, like how HTTP has get, post, etc. So we have invite, acknowledge, cancel by. So it's similar to HTTP. It has a header body. So we use this to manage a call session. What do I mean by that? Start of a call, when the call is picked up, when it is hung up, etc. So it can work with both on top of TCP or UDP. So if you have made a phone call using VoLT, VoIP, Wi-Fi, internet calls, this is the underlying protocol. Okay, so this is what a call flow looks like. It's kind of like a TCP handshake. A sends an invite, and B acknowledges it with a 200 OK, and A says that, okay, I understood that you got the call, and then the media starts. And finally, one of them sends a bye, and it's acknowledged with a 200 OK. This is what a sample invite looks like. It has the top part, the first half is the headers. It's similar to our HTTP, it's key value pairs, and then you have a body that tells you about the media. Finally, yeah, the media. Media works on RTP. It's a real-time transmission protocol. It's built on UDP. This is used to transfer the media between the two parties. And yeah, these are a couple of Go projects that implement SIP and RTP. And finally, thank you. Yeah. You can collect me.